Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
I
morning,
request those
ma'am.
who are joining now, please, again, I'm telling you all, join on time. Those who have just now joined, they are still 1 minute late. Kevna has joined now. Priya has joined now, 1 minute late.
Ma'am,
1 minute
I
late
joined
means,
in.
my dear children, you will face the difficulty next time.
Ma'am, I joined in.
On time.
And which time I don't see.
Okay, so you take care, Lakshya, when you enter in the class, but you were on time.
I am on.
Lakshya,
I'm on 28 or
okay,
29.
okay. So please join on time, right? As you are aware, Nishika also joined now. Nishika 2 minutes late. Next time, those who will join late, I will mark their absent. So it is up to you now. You want to join on time or you want to join late to mark your absent. फिर आप पूरी time class में बैठोगे, then also I will mark absent. Ekansh, 2 minutes late. As I already told you, please join 1 or 2 minutes before, not after the time. Ekansh, Priya, Nishika, Khevna, these are late students today. Okay, so as you all know that we are going to take the CET of chapter number 1 today. So are you all clear with the international national system, number system? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good. Good, good. Are you all clear how to find 1/3, 1/4, 1/5? Rudra will tell me. Rudra, 1/3 of 300. Rudra Master. 1/3 of 300. Daria has joined late. Daria 3 minutes late.
Yeah, ma'am, because I had little bit network issue also and it got little late.
Take care about your next time. This time it's okay. I'm taking the revision. But next time when you join late and you say, ma'am, please repeat, then that thing, sorry from my side. Rudra Master, can I move to next child? Rudra Master, you are in class. Why are you not turning on your mic? Turn on your mic, please, first. आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा रुद्र मास्टर? Why there is no reaction from your side? Rudra, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
No
I can
reaction.
hear you.
No
Ma'am, we
reaction
can
he
hear
is
you.
showing. Okay, I'll move to next child. Rahil,
Yes, ma'am.
what is 1/3 of 300?
Ma'am, 1/3 of 300.
आपको क्या करना है? उस 300 को 3 से डिवाइड करना है. 1/3 हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 300 ऐसे लिखेंगे. So
Yes.
1/3 of 300 is what? Children, if you know the answer, write in the chat box.
Ma'am, 100.
Yes. 100 is the 1/3 of 300. Anna Agarwal, what is the 1/4 of 4,000?
What, ma'am?
What is the 1/4 of 4,000?
Ma'am, 1/4 of 4,000 is oh 2,000.
How 2,000? 4,000 divided by 4.
Ma'am, 1,000.
Yes, it is 1,000. Nishika,
Yes, ma'am.
1/5 of 2,500.
Uh,
1/5
150,
of,
ma'am.
yes.
150. 500, ma'am.
Yes.
5 5 is 25.
Yes. So this you all know. You all know how many hundreds in the number. If I ask how many lakhs, how many tens, how many ones, that also we have done, no? Okay. Can we start our CET? Aryaman Sangha is 6 minutes late. And then you only tell to the children, teacher, ma'am, what you have done, I have not understood. So, okay, I'm going to post the link in the chat box. No need to write all the sums in the notebook. If you want to do rough calculation in the notebook. And if you can do some sums mentally, so you are allowed to do mentally also. And click the answer. Link is posted in the chat box, as well as I'm going to post it in the classroom also. So in case if you log out, you please log in from the classroom. Are you all able to enter in the link? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Link is posted in the classroom also. Yes, who is saying excuse me?
Anya Mittal. Ma'am,
Tell
I
your
can,
name.
ma'am, Agnya Mittal.
Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, I cannot type anything. Matlab, I cannot. I'm touching type keypad, but it's not going only. Like
Google form is not opening.
Google form is opening, but inside the Google form, anything is I'm touching now, so it's not opening.
Children, other child is facing any difficulty? Any other child is facing such kind of difficulty?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Samrit, Anya, then what you do, you please log out and again you open the Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
And you open from your mail ID only. Rudra Master, can you hear me? Rudra Master, turn on your mic and talk to me. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, now I can hear you.
So before, what was the difficulty? Why you were not able to hear me?
Ma'am, the same difficulty.
रुद्र मास्टर टॉके यहाँ वेट गुना रुद्र आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है कि नहीं दे रही है?
मैम दे रही है.
हाँ, तो आप पहले जब मैं आंसर पूछ रही थी, why you are not giving me the answer? Don't behave like that you are not able to hear me. Okay?
Ma'am, no, I cannot hear you.
So you log out and log in again then.
Ma'am, then I log out and log in again now.
Okay. Yes, Guna, what difficulty you facing?
The same.
You're not able to enter.
Not.
Google form is not.
Ma'am, working.
So what you do, you log out and log in again and then try.
Ma'am, now
Okay, ma'am.
onwards I'm not getting.
Still not, Anya? Anya, what you do is you have to log out from all your Gmail accounts.
Okay.
Log out from all your Gmail accounts and then log in from your only personal ID, which is the school ID. p.anya.1. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I didn't get question number 6.
I'm not explaining any question right now. Whatever you understood from yourself, you attempt it. We discuss it in the next class. This is CET, so we will not discuss the answer here.
Ma'am, we have to send.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vedi?
What is 10 question?
I will only read the question. I will not explain the question right now. Okay?
Ma'am, I don't know what is 10 question.
I will read for you, Vedi. No problem, but I will not explain.
Okay.
Question number 10.
Yes.
100 lakh makes dash. 100 में क्या होता है? 1000 होता है. 1 लाख बनेगा कि 1 करोड़ बनेगा 100 लाख से?
Okay.
Yes, Lakshya.
Nothing.
Okay. Gunav. Gunav.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you able to enter?
Yes, ma'am.
Anya, now you. Anya Mittal. Now you able to enter?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, please try. Ridan, you facing any difficulty to enter in the Google form? Ridan,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
facing any difficulty to enter in the Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
You do one thing, you log out from all the Gmail accounts.
Okay.
सारा off करके और then you log in from your TVIS account only. Okay? Yes, Rudra, you raise his hand. Any difficulty? Rudra Jajaj. Meghdad, I think you also facing the same difficulty. Log out from all Gmail accounts and log in from TVIS account only. Got it, Meghdad?
I couldn't have the link, now I can.
What?
Have to send the fair work also.
I told in the beginning only not to send the notebook work.
And now also I cannot do.
Anya, wait, I will present my screen and I'll show you what you have to do, okay? Those who are facing the difficulty in login in the Google form, please try this. Go to your Gmail. There is, can you all see my screen? Anya,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
see my screen? There is this
Yes,
icon
ma'am.
coming. This icon is coming. Click there and then bring it down. Sign out. Sign out from all accounts and then add your TVIS account only. Got it?
Ma'am, I
Then
have
only
done
you
like
will
that.
able to enter in the Google form.
Ma'am, I have done like that. Only my sister has done like that.
Then I don't know, Anya, why you facing difficulty. Anya, अगर इसमें है, you need to fill the section also. Section पे click किया, Anya?
Ma'am, I cannot. My keypad is not opening. I'm touching it, but in my keypad only not opening.
I am really not understood what the difficulty you're facing. Gunav will tell. Gunav, how you try to enter in the Google form? Gunav,
Yes, ma'am.
how you tried? आपने कैसे try किया Google form में enter होने के लिए?
Classroom.
Classroom में से गए. Anya, you also try from classroom. Classroom में मैंने link
Ma'am,
डाला है.
I have done. I'm joining classroom link only, ma'am.
Not classroom chat link. Classroom में से मैंने assignment में डाला है. From there you tried.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, 10-15 minutes are there only. Please do fast.
No, ma'am. My sister also has tried.
Anya, आपको ये problem तो solve करनी होगी. Otherwise, if I'll show you here, then it will be very difficult to send me in the mail for you. And checking in the mail is difficulty. Karnav, please turn on your camera, everyone. Everyone sit with your cameras on. Ekansh, Anushka, Vivan Balchandani, Mohit Sharma.
Ma'am, when I go to solve, means at Google Form, no, it automatically turns off the camera.
Okay.
Ma'am, when I do Google form, it automatically
So
gets off.
same face, everyone facing same difficulty. Okay.
Can you check my I do Google form and you check my camera is off or on. You can check please.
Lakshay last. Not now. Let everyone do.
Ma'am, can
If you submitted, if you receive the marks, means I have received.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Okay. Those who have submitted, they will receive the marks also. Rudra Master, you not doing anything. You sitting just.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Okay.
No, ma'am, it's not happening. I'm trying.
So I'm presenting the screen here.
Yes.
As many as sums you can do now. It's only 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes are left.
Okay.
Do in the notebook. After the class, please try to solve this problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Please check and do little fast. Rudra Master, you got your marks also. Have you seen? Have you checked your marks? You need to practice a lot.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Ma'am, your camera is off.
Whether you're looking at me, whether my camera is off or on, you do your Google form. I request please not to take the help from your parents. Please not to take help from your parents. Do by yourself. Anya, can I scroll it down? Anya,
Yes, ma'am.
can I scroll it?
Yes, ma'am.
Which question number you are on? Anya, be quick in answers. You are doing which question?
6th, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the question my answer slipped. Like
Answer?
I checked it again.
Hmm.
I did it at 160. The right answer,
Hmm.
but now it's showing the wrong one. I checked it twice. It was the right answer. But it
Which
is
question number you are saying about?
ninth.
I will check it manually afterwards. Okay, Migdad?
No, ma'am, not like that.
Then?
I did the right answer, but then and I checked it again that I calculated it, so it was correct. But when I submitted the form,
Hmm.
it shows that I haven't choose the correct answer. I have choose the other two, one of them.
So how we can solve this problem? I am not clear with your problem, what you are facing.
Ma, it's
I
like
will check it laterwards. I will check it. Let others do this. Okay?
no, ma'am,
Only
it's not
one
like
sum, no?
that.
Question number 9 only, na?
Yeah, I got 19 out of 20.
Okay. I will check
My
it.
problem was that I choose the correct answer, but then when I submitted it, the answer changed. My answer changed.
Maybe you by mistake click on another answer.
Yeah.
So it is by mistake can be happen, maybe. Okay? So now after getting the answer, we cannot say my answer was correct because immediately you can see your answers also, the correct answer also. So now it is already submitted. So you cannot say that my answer was correct and it is accepted the wrong. So you click the answer because it's optional. If by mistake you click on the another answer, the Google form will accept that only. Anya, moving
Can you solve
down now.
Yes.
Dylan, please do fast.
When there are ma'am, Renu ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot understand. Third page, last. Fifth.
Whatever you understood, you attempted, we will discuss in the next class.
Okay.
Yes, Guna?
और भी है
Yes,
मैम
Guna?
मैम how will when there is 10 lakh how will 100 10 question
Guna, whatever you understood, you solve it. We will discuss in the next class.
okay ma'am
This is CET going on, no? Others are doing. Anya, can I scroll down now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have done till 9?
I'm doing 9 months.
Anya, then you have to attach this work in the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
And please try to solve this problem of Google Form. Because you need to give the CETs in other subjects also.
Ma'am, read the chat.
Let me read. When may I send it? No. You have to do it right now. If you submit after the class timing, I will not accept. I request everyone, please do it by yourself, not to take the help from your parents.
Done, ma'am.
Can I scroll it down?
Yes, ma'am. I have full. Acha, okay.
There is, this is part 2. When you write question part 2 and in the Roman numbers and then start 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're only writing the answers, na?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am I is done
Okay.
ma'am I can leave
No. I think everyone aware about the class timings. No one will leave the class. Can I scroll it down, Dania?
Yes, ma'am.
You are on question number which?
2.
Okay.
I'm in 3rd.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can't understand the second page last question.
Do one thing, Dhyan Dalal, write it somewhere. We will discuss it in the next class, not now.
Okay.
If you understood whatever you understood, you do it. If you not understood, ask me in the next class.
ma'am, scroll down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm not understanding the last question of 3rd page.
Just now I explained to the students that I am not explaining anything in this CET. You write down somewhere, we will do it in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you understood, on the basis of that, you submit it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Then attach your work. Okay, class, time is up. Submit your Google form. Those who have submitted, they can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am.